autism video keeps getting hundreds of views every single day. So you are not alone. If you are a parent who is facing virtual autism, the system is starting to change because I know parents like you are expecting something different from the schools and also something different from yourselves. Instead of just giving your kids that phone for like you used to or you had to or whatever it happened, now you're moving forward and you're facilitating and you're taking it on, and it might feel weird and not so easy some days, and that's how it goes because this isn't an algorithm. It's not programmed. We're talking about people, we're talking about children, we're talking about development, and we're talking about language. So you do want to expose your kids to all the language like Ethio did, and you do want to make sure that you're providing all of the opportunities you can, like the other parents